Hey there, beautiful people. Today, let's chat about something super cool, vitamin C and how it can totally boost your skin game. You know, your skin kinda tells the story of how healthy you are on the inside, right? Well, adding some vitamin C love to your skincare routine can make a world of difference. So here's the deal. You've probably heard about fancy vitamin C serums and stuff, but guess what? You can whip up your very own magic potions using stuff from your kitchen. Let's go. First up, we've got a vitamin C face mist. All you need is some rose water, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a dollop of honey. Mix it all up in a clean spray bottle, give it a good shake, and pop it in the fridge. Then spritz it on your face after washing and before moisturizing for a quick pick-me-up. Rose water tones your skin, lemon juice brightens things up with its vitamin C goodness, and honey keeps your skin feeling all kinds of happy. It's like a little spa treatment right in your bathroom. Next on the list, we've got a Super Luxe Vitamin C face pack. Grab some gram flour, lemon juice, honey, turmeric, and a splash of milk. Mix it into a smooth paste, slather it on your face, and let it work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water for baby soft skin. Last but not least, let's talk about a DIY vitamin C serum. All you need is some aloe vera gel, lemon juice, vitamin E oil, and a pinch of turmeric. Mix it all up, pop it in a bottle, and stash it in the fridge. After you wash your face, massage a few drops of this serum onto your skin for a hydrating protective boost. And there you have it. 3 easy-peasy ways to get your daily dose of vitamin C and give your skin some serious love. Remember, skincare isn't just about what you put on your face. It's about taking care of yourself inside and out. So go ahead, pamper yourself with some DIY skincare goodness, and let that inner glow shine bright. Catch you later.